Want to uninstall MusicBrainz Picard from your computer? Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, reinstalling the application, or simply no longer need it, uninstalling MusicBrainz Picard only removes the program and doesn't delete your music files. In this guide, I'll show you how to uninstall MusicBrainz Picard step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure MusicBrainz Picard is completely closed. If it's still running, save any unfinished work and exit the application before uninstalling it. This prevents installation files from being locked during the removal process. Next, open the Settings app in Windows 11 and go to Apps, then Installed Apps. This is where you can manage and remove installed programs from your computer. Now scroll through the list or use the search box to find MusicBrainz Picard. Click the three-dot menu next to it, choose Uninstall, and confirm the removal when prompted. Windows will launch the uninstaller and remove the application from your computer. If you want a completely fresh start before reinstalling, you can also remove MusicBrainz Picard's configuration file after uninstalling. This step is optional and only removes the application's saved settings. It doesn't delete your music files or tags. Finally, restart your computer to complete the uninstall process. If you plan to install MusicBrainz Picard again, you can now download and install the latest version from the official website. And that's how to uninstall MusicBrainz Picard. Removing the application is quick and simple, and your music files remain untouched throughout the process. If you decide to reinstall it later, you'll be ready to start with a fresh installation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.